we learned about the difference between surviving and thriving,
Yes.
and how we can feel, deal, and heal
Yes.
with that. And we have also learned how it would harm us if we bottled our emotions and if we didn't let it out.
True.
So you've told us we can journal or talk to someone if we're feeling a certain way, and yeah,
What is another way of getting in touch with your feelings or emotions?
to know
Neurogram.
where it's coming from or to know what the purpose of the emotion is.
Yes, 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 exactly, है ना. So that is part of dealing with it. And feeling को कैसे हम उसको बाहर कैसे लेके आए? So I told you two ways, है ना. एक तो journaling और दूसरा वे था neurograms, है ना. To just draw it out, just vent it out, so that you can easily go back into your zone of, like, एक mindset आ जाता है, so that you can process it. ठीक है. हाँ, yes, more.
We've also learned that we cannot control others' behaviors, and that if they don't want to talk to you, then you should just let them be.
जो भी हमने अभी तक सीखा, how do they have utility in your life?
In all situations, we can stay calm,
Yes.
and we would know how to handle ourselves without
Yes.
losing our control,
Yeah.
and we would also know how to vent it out
Yes.
if we're feeling stressed or unhappy about something.
Yes. 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 Beautiful. So they are. See, you have processed a couple of emotions, and while doing that, a couple of things came up for you. Would you like to share them with us? Like, क्या
Yeah,
चीज एग्जैक्टली पता चली अपने बारे में? हाँ.
emotions are caused by feelings, and feelings are caused by emotions. We've learned about
Yes.
that as well.
Yes, we did.
And yeah, we've also learned that a few emotions can overlap with each other, and they can be the cause of each other.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
And yeah,
सो पर्सनल लर्निंग को हम यहाँ पे एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, सहस्या. सो व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन यू, बिकॉज यू आल्सो प्रोसेस 2-3 इमोशंस, है ना, ड्यूरिंग द
yeah,
सेशन itself. So what was that outcome? I think one thing you learned that if things are overlapping, है ना, for
yeah,
you, and you need to slowly, like, एक एक चीज को थ्रेड को अलग अलग करना है हमें, और उस चीज को अलग अलग करके उसमें से लर्निंग आउटकम को लेकर के आना है लाइफ में,
yeah,
है ना. सो would you recommend this workshop to others?
yes, it's
Yes,
quite helpful.
it's quite helpful. Okay. Who would you like to recommend this workshop to? Just asking.
Probably my younger sister, or um, a few of my friends.
Yeah. Yes. So again, it is all about creating an environment where you can share. For example, you go and you want to communicate, and they are not ready to listen to it. It's not gonna work still, So that's why having a good environment around us is equally necessary. Sahasya, now the big question for me, was 2 hours time long? What did you feel? Could you keep focus all the time?
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't that long because we had breaks in between.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Chal gaya.
yeah,
Okay, thank you so much. Were you able to grab the concepts and found that they have utility in life?
yes.
Yes. And who would you like to thank for providing this opportunity to you?
So Divleen auntie, Marine's mom. So she's the one who introduced this workshop to my mom,
Yes.
and also my mom because she enrolled me into this.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much.